Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can change your camera settings. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. How you can just change it. First you have to go to the settings option. You can see this is how you can change your pixel. And if you want to go to settings option, then go to this settings option. And friends, here it is a smart suggestion: scan QR codes. If you want to scan your QR code from the photo, then you have to enable this option. Friends, here it is a picture quality. If you want to click a picture, then there are three options: low, standard and high. And here it is a mirror front camera. You can see the front selfie camera. You have to enable this. Tap to take a photo. Tap the preview screen to take a photo. When you just tap the preview screen, it takes the photo. Auto frame rate, and friends, it will auto adjust the frame rate. It will reduce the frame rate for videos in low light or high temperature environments automatically. You can see volume button function. You can set timer for 2 minutes, and it is a preserve setting of preserve beautify preferences selected during the previous sessions. You have to enable this, and you have to enable these two options. And anti-bending add, you can select auto also like this. And if you have something wrong, then you have to just click on restore default setting and click on OK. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.